Welcome to Arena Archery Club's online scoring system via the PhoneView application. As you can see at the moment, I've actually logged on, so we can go straight to the menu option and scroll down until we find scoring. This will bring up the scoring screen, and I am running quite slow at the moment. So you can select a session, you can enter a target. I'm going to go for target number 3, and I'm going to pick that particular section. I can add archers' names, so in this case I'm going to add myself. Then you can fill out the rounds. We're going to shoot a Melbourne, and classification, I'm a veteran plus, and the bow is a compound bow. I'm going to the green button, we'll add an archer. The white button here for listing archers will show all the archers that you've got on the target. You can remove an archer from a target, and you can go on to the offline scoring system, which we're not going to deal with at all, and you've got the online scoring system, which is the orange button, which we are going to deal with. Okay, so let's just add that particular archer. We're going to add another archer now. Let's do Kelvin. Kelvin is not a veteran plus, not just quite yet, and we're going to add him. Now let's list the archers. There's my profile, and there's Kelvin's profile, so everything's hunky-dory. So let's go in and do a score. Okay, so what we can now do is do the number pad, and we can add scores, and we can save it, and it moves on to the next archer, which is Kelvin, so it does it automatically, and we can start to add Kelvin 2. This now moves on automatically to the next archer, which is recycled back to me, and it now takes me into the second row. Not having a good day here. Now it goes to Kelvin. Kelvin's still on form, and so on. I need a few X's, I think. Kelvin, we'll just drop him down a little bit. Let's give myself having another bad day. Kelvin's picked up a bit. I'm having a better time. Now, because we've actually gone through the first distance, it automatically takes you to the second distance. Kelvin, me, as it progresses through the next distance. Going into the third distance. Okay, finally we've got through all the scores, and we can submit the scores. Voila. So that is the online scoring system. That button at the top allows us to edit previous history scores, but you'll see we can no longer do it because we've actually submitted it. Thank you very much for attending this demonstration.